For a roofing company that covers the whole state, would you suggest setting up a separate campaign for each major area? Yes, you can do that. So I always advocate to keep things very simple. So let's say you got one state with 10 major cities. You can start with each city as its own location in a campaign, or what you do is just create one campaign first. Get the data in. See which cities or which area locations are getting you the most clicks or the conversions or the cost per conversion, whatever you are looking at as the best performing location. So you need to make a look at that. Once you know that, let's say New York City is my best performer or the most profitable, you take that state out from that campaign, make a new one, put its own budget to it. So it's never limited by budget. So any campaign which is profitable, unless you can't cope up with the amount of leads or sales coming through, should never be limited by budget. You peel and stick into its own campaign with its own budget. Then let the other, let's say we have 10 locations, let the other 9 run in the same campaign. Then more budget would be distributed between the 9 of them. Then when you see another one, let's say Washington City is giving us some better results, take that one out, make its new campaign. Then let's say you see Chicago, take that one out from there, make it into its own campaign. And this is how you will slowly build up your account with different locations having their own campaigns and its own budget.